Now the next question. If A is equal to matrix 1, 0, 2, 0, 2, 1, 2, 0, 3, prove that A cube minus 6A square plus 7A plus 2Y equal to 0. So here also you can see an I, isn't it? So what will be the order of this identity matrix? Same as the order of the given matrix A. So here A is a 3 by 3 matrix. So order of the identity matrix will be 3. Okay. So how we will start? We will start from the right side. We will first write the value of 2I. We know we are taking I as the 3 by 3 matrix, order 3 unit matrix. Okay. So what will be 2I? 2, 0, 0, 0, 2, 0 and 0, 0, 2. Come to the next value. Next value we have to find a 7A. What is 7A? Just multiply this matrix or each and every element of the matrix with a 7. So the matrix becomes 7, 0, 14, 0, 14, 7 and 14, 0, 21. Okay. So we got 2I and also 7A. What about the next one? It is minus 6A square. So we can't calculate it together. So what we will do is we will first calculate A square, then multiply it with the minus 6. Okay. So A square, how we can do, how we want to find A square? A square is A into A. So what is A? A is given as 1, 0, 2, 0, 2, 1, 2, 0, 3 into again A 1, 0, 2, 0, 2, 1, 2, 0, 3. Just multiply. How we will multiply is in 7 order, isn't it? So first row into first column. 1 into 1 is 1 plus 0 plus 4. Again next element will be 0 plus 0 plus 0. The next element will be 2 plus 0 plus 6. Okay, what about the second row? 0 plus 0 plus 2. Again 0 plus 4 plus 0. The next one will be 0 plus 2 plus 3. And the third row will be 2 plus 0 plus 6. Again second element 0 plus 0 plus 0. The last element will be 4 plus 0 plus 9. And we are getting the value as 5, 0, 8, 2, 4, 5 and 8, 0, 13. Okay, so we got only A square, which is the term we require. It is minus 6A square. So multiply it with the minus 6. Scalar multiplication. So minus 6A square will be 6 into 5, 30 with a negative sign. Second element was 0. 0 into minus 6 is 0. Again, third element was 8. So we are getting minus 48. Next element is 2. So it is minus 12. Next is 4. So minus 24. Next is 5. Minus 30. Again, the next element is 8. Minus 6 into 8 gives you minus 48. Again, 0 is the next element. 6 into minus 6 into 0 is 0. And 13 is the next element. You are getting 13 into 6 as, just multiply and see 6 into 3, 18, 7. You know to multiply, isn't it? So it is minus 78. Okay, again we need one more term, which is the next term we require. It is A cube. This is the next integral power of A. A square, how we calculated? A into A. To calculate A cube, what we have to do is A cube is equal to A square into A. Just multiply the matrix A with the A square. We already calculated A square, isn't it? A square I will write again. 5, 0, 8, 2, 4, 5 and 8, 0, 13. This is A square into again the matrix A. What was A? The question. 1, 0, 2, 0, 2, 1 and 2, 0, 3. Just multiply these two matrices to get A cube. So what will be the value? 5 plus 0 plus 16. That's the first term. 0 plus 0 plus 0. Then 10 plus 0 plus 24. That completes the first row. What about the second row? Second row in the first column, isn't it? So 2 plus 0 plus 10. 0 plus 8 plus 0. 4 plus 4 plus 15. What about the third row? 8 plus 0 plus 26. Then 0 plus 0 plus 0. Then it is 16 plus 0 plus 39. Just sum it up. 5 plus 0 plus 16 gives you 21. 0. Then this value is 34. Next value is 12. 8. 5 plus 4, 19. 19 plus 4 gives you 23. Again, 26 plus 8 is 34. 0. 39 plus 16 gives you the value 55. Okay, so we got, let this be equation number 4. This be equation number 3. This is the term, next term we need. Then we need a 7a. Let this be equation number 2. And let this be equation number 1. So we got 2i, 7a minus 6a square and a cube. So what we have to do next? We have to add all the terms, isn't it? So we are going to add a 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Okay. So we need a cube minus 6a square plus 7a plus 2i. Okay. Don't write simply the value as 0, 0, 0 because in the question it is to prove that equal to 0 and we will be getting a 0 matrix and we know the answer is 0, but just don't simply write the values. First element is 2 here. Here it is 7. Okay. The next here is minus 30 and for the value of a cube it is 21. So write all those values. 2 plus 7 minus 30 plus 21. So that we are getting the value as 0. But you have to write those values. So the next is 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0. That is the second element you are getting. The next is 0 plus 14 minus 48 plus 34. That is the next last element in the first row. Again, second row, the element is 0 plus 0 minus 12 plus 12. Again, 2 minus 14 minus 24 plus 8. 2, this is plus 14. Huh? Why I corrected as I know that the value must be 0, isn't it? So if the correction is required, you can. It is actually 14. They check it here. This negative came from the other page. It is 14. Again, what about the third element? 7. 0 plus 7 minus 30 plus 23. Okay. And the last row is 0 plus 14 minus 48 plus 34. Again, second element is 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0. And the last element you are getting is 2 plus 21 minus 78 plus 55. And if you are adding each value, each and every element will be 0. Look here, 2 plus 7, 9. 9 plus 21 is 30. 30 minus 30 is 0. The next term obviously is 0. Again, 34 plus 14, 48. 48 minus 48 is again 0. 12 minus 12 is 0. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 14, 24. 24 minus 24 is again 0. 23 plus 7, 30. 30 minus 30 again 0. 34 plus 14, 48. 48 minus 48 is 0. The next term is 0. 55 plus 2 gives you 57. 57 plus 21 gives you 78. 78 minus 78 is 0. So this is equal to 0 and the answer you have to write, hence proved.